Maidoki, Senator representing Kebbi South Senatorial District. Distinguished colleagues, I rise to condole with the family of our elder brother, Senator Ewuga. Colleagues, I met Senator Ewuga during Colonel Como's burial. He was the closest person to the family of late General Como. His presence during that burial, by bringing the whole family together, General Como's family, and iron out all the rough edges between the siblings of General Como and the younger brothers and the entire family to follow the same path so that a befitting burial was conducted for General Como. He followed the corpse up to Zuru, where the burial ceremony was conducted. I found him to be a perfect gentleman, a leader par excellence, a person who showed direction for the younger generation. And we are eternally grateful to him for the direction he gave us during the burial of late General Como, Colonel Como. And this will remain everlasting in our mind. I condole the family. I pray to Almighty Allah to give you the perseverance to bear his exit, and I want to enjoy you to live on his legacy. He was a good man, a perfect gentleman, a leader of people, and a pathfinder for the young generation. We will live forever to remember his contribution towards the Zulu people are eternally grateful for what he has done for us. Thank you very much, the Senate President.